welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is ochikeron. Today I wanted to share with you some video clips from my kids' birthday party. They turned 9 and 7. This year I decided to make fruit cake from Zelda. When I searched for the Zelda cake online, the fruit cake came up and I thought it gonna be fun. My kids got Nintendo Switch last year. First they played Animal Crossing. Somehow after a year getting the Nintendo Switch, my kids, especially my son, is into games. At first I thought it gonna be bad for kids, but since I tell them that they have to do their homework and go to the outside activities and do everything, and then in the end of the day they can play the games. So far they kind of follow the rule, so I let them play the games. Anyways, time flies. Looking at the videos I posted every year on their birthdays, kids grew up so much year by year. I missed them when they were small, but I'm so happy that they are growing up. Anyway, please try out the Zelda fruit cake. It's very gorgeous, simple yet delicious.
ゲ？
ゲルドハンコ。
惜しいだ。ゲルドハイコ。
だけどちょっとだけ惜しいな。
惜しい。
指定にある。
指定にある。だからハイコでしょ。ゲルドハイコ。あ、ゲルドハイコ後。
違うな。一文字あるなんだ。
ゲルド
跡地。
正解。
本当かよ。
跡地。
跡地なの？そんなことってある？
全部で合わせたら8。
8？リトの村。
違う。リトの。
もういいわ。
リトの飛行訓練場。
そんなのわかんない。